Hello student, today I am going to explain about the symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix and how can you decompose a matrix in the symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Today we will discuss about this. Suppose any matrix A is given, Aij, this is the matrix. What is the order of this? N cross N. Order of this matrix, this is the square matrix, N cross N. If you are taking transpose of this is the transpose of matrix A, or that will become A. Then it is known as the symmetric matrix. We are discussing about the symmetric matrix. If transpose of any matrix will be the same matrix, then it is the symmetric matrix. Here you can say Aij equal to Aji. One is less or equal to I less or equal to N, and one is less or equal to J less or equal to N. मतलब कि इसकी I की वैल्यू 1 से स्टार्ट होकर के N तक जाएगी और J की वैल्यू भी 1 से स्टार्ट होकर N तक जाएगी. It is third order, so it will be maximum 3. It will be second order, so it will be 2. It is the fourth order, so it will be 4. This is clear? This is for the symmetric. Suppose you see this. This is the A, B, C, F, G, H. Here F, G, H. If you transpose this, you will get the same matrix. If the transpose, you will get the same matrix. So you can say this is the symmetric matrix. In the symmetric matrix, diagonal element, at least one of the diagonal element is not equal to 0. Clear? यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 एलिमेंट है, इसमें से कोई दो 0 हो गया तो तीसरा नहीं होना चाहिए. All three are not 0. Any 2 is not equal to 0. If 2 is equal to 0, two numbers are 0, at least one is not 0. At least one element of the diagonal is not 0. Okay. Now see the skew-symmetric matrix. Here, if transpose of any matrix is equal to minus A, negative of same matrix, after transposing you are getting the negative of this matrix, then it is known as the skew-symmetric matrix. Here the condition is, you see, Aij equal to Aji. Clear? यहाँ condition क्या है? I is not equal to J. Second cases is coming here, minus, sorry, this will be minus. Second cases is coming Aij equal to 0 if I is equal to J. ये I equal to J means first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. It means diagonal element is the 0. ये main condition होता है. In the skew-symmetric matrix, all diagonal element is 0. Just you can see, this is the A matrix. 0, 0, 0. F, G, H. Minus F, minus G, and minus H. Correct? If you transpose this, then you get 0 H G minus H 0 F minus G minus F and G. Clear? If you take minus outside, what you will get? 0 H G H 0 F sorry minus G minus F and G. You will see this is equal to minus A. It is necessary condition. What is the necessary condition? Diagonal element will be equal to 0. इसको समझने के लिए ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो. Aij equal to minus Abi ये कंडीशन होता है. फिर I equal to j उस केस में if I equal to j sorry here it will be I equal to j. I equal to j. Here I equal to j, then Aii equal to minus Aii, then 2Aii equal to 0, Aii equal to 0. Ii first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. This is the proof of this. Okay. Now third point, how can you decompose a matrix in the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? ये तो क्लियर हो गया. इसमें एक चीज इसको ध्यान देना है, ये सब जीरो होना चाहिए. A matrix is given. A is a matrix of order n, means square matrix. How can you decompose? You can write A 1 by 2 A plus transpose of A plus 1 by 2 A minus transpose of A. This is the symmetric matrix. Or this will be skew symmetric matrix. In this way, you can decompose the matrix in the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. In the board examination, what type question you can get up to what you study. जितना पढ़े उसमें कितना आ सकता है. This is the important question. A matrix is given, you decompose in symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. और दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन आता है that is related to the matrix polynomial. इसके अलावा कोई भी क्वेश्चन और that will become in the 2 mark. इसके बाद की मैट्रिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज क्लियर. तो अब यहां पे देखो, जस्ट यू सी 1 by 2a 1 by 2a, if you add it will you will get a 1 by 2a dash minus 1 by 2a dash cancel. Now in this way we can decompose. Okay, now we'll see some questions related to this. Then after that I will teach you elementary transformation. How can you get inverse of a matrix by the elementary transformation? This is also important question. Now see the some question of the 3.4. Here first given, second given, I suppose you can do. It is very simple. Third, fourth I am doing here. Transpose of A power t you can write or dash you can show. 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. B minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then we get transpose of A minus transpose of B. Transpose of A is this, or transpose of B you can get. One, two, 1. First row will be changed in the first column. Second row will be changed in the second column. 1, 2, 3. Now you can get this. Transpose of A minus transpose of B. 3 minus 3 minus, then it will minus plus हो जाएगा 4. 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 2 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, in this way you can get your answer. This is a very simple question. Here others you will try. Here it is given question number 7, second part. If matrix is symmetric matrix, find the value of x. We suppose this is the 7th second. This is the matrix A. Now it is given 6 minus x square, 2x minus 15 और 10 इस सिमेट्रिक में क्या होता है? A is symmetric Aij equal to Aj, Aij equal to Aj. तो फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम विल बी इक्वल टू first row second column will be second row first column. This and this element are equal. Clear? A is symmetric. So now we can write minus x square equal to 2x minus 15. Imply that minus x square minus 2x plus 15 equal to 0. Then x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Or then you will factorize x plus 5 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Implies that x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 3. It is clear? कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि इसको ए ट्रांसपोज लिखते हैं और देन दे आर कंपेयरिंग ए डैश इक्वल टू ए. उस तरह भी कर सकते हैं. यू राइट ए डैश और दिस सिमेट्रिक दे डैश इक्वल टू ए और देन करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल, देन यू कैन राइट, बट यू दैट विल टेक मोर टाइम. ओके, okay, these questions are very simple. Others are 13, 14. If you are getting doubt from 8 to 12, you can ask. Here 16, 15, 16, 17. Very simple question. So I suppose you can do. Question number 18 is also simple. First, what you will do? You will get product of both matrix, then you get a transpose. Here it is given proof. अगर मान लो ऐसे पूछ रहा है कि prove that you show that matrix A is given, matrix B is given, तो कैसे इसको prove कर? Left hand side you will get the product of AB and then you take the transfer. Here you will get a transpose of A, then transpose of B, or then you will get the product of transpose of B and A. If both are equal, it is verified. These are very simple. Now question number 22. Here A is given 1, 2, 2. B is given, second row is given 2, 1, x. Or third row is given minus 2, 2 and minus 1. is a matrix satisfying A into transpose of A equal to 9A3, find the value of X. So you will get the transpose of A. Okay, A into transpose of A, you write here, this will be A, 1, 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 2, 2x minus 1. Okay, transpose of this, first 1, 2, 2, 2, 1x minus 2, 2 minus 1. Now we'll get product of this, or that is given equal to 9 identity of the third order. Okay. To multiply this, 1, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4, 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 to 4, 4 plus 2x. Then minus 2, 4 and minus 2. Minus 2, 4, minus 2. Okay, it will be 0. Clear? Then this 0, you multiply with this 2, again 2, 4, 4 plus 2x. Correct? Then it is multiplied here, minus 4, minus 4 plus 2, or minus x. Minus 2 minus x. Okay. Then it multiplied with this last. Okay. Okay. Here. For second row and second column, 2 into 2, 4. This will be 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus x square. Okay. Now see, after multiplication of both matrix, you will get 9, 4 plus 2x, 0, 4 plus 2x, 5 plus x square, minus 2 minus x, 0, minus 2 minus x and 9. Just to see, it is also symmetrical. Now it is the symmetrical matrix. Or now that side it is given 9 into identity of third order. So 9 or their identity, you have multiplied 9 into identity, you will get this matrix. On comparing both sides, you compare this, anyone you compare, 4 plus 2x, x equal to minus 2. You compare this, so minus 2 minus x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. It is correct answer. From both, we are getting the same answer, it is correct. Suppose you want to check by this, 5 plus x square equal to 9, x square equal to 4, then x equal to minus 2 and plus 2. Both you will get, so here minus 2 we are getting, to minus 2 we write. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. So, now you will see how can you decompose the matrix in the two symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Here questions are given, question number 27 and question number 28. Question number 27 is second order, question number 28 is the third order. Now you will see the question number 28. This is the third order. A matrix is given 3 2 5 4 1 3 0 6 7 3 2 5 4 1 3 0 6 7. Okay, now transpose it. First row, first column 3 2 5. Second row, second column 4 1 3. Third row, third column 0 6 7. We know that by this rule we can decompose a matrix in the symmetric and skew-symmetric. 1 by 2 A plus transpose of A plus 1 by 2 A minus transpose of A. So this is the symmetric. So symmetric matrix 1 by 2 A plus transpose of A. 1 by 2, we will add this. 3 plus 3, 6. 4, 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 4, 2, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 0, 5, 5. 6, 3, 9 and 7, 7, 14. अब देखो यहाँ पे 6, 6, 5, 5, 9, 9. It means this is the symmetric matrix. I have told diagonal element, at least one of the diagonal element is not equal to 0. ये केयर करना, तीनों 0 देखना चाहिए. इसमें तो तीनों दिया है, all the threes are given, no problem here. Now see how can you break in the skew-symmetric matrix. Skew-symmetric matrix. Now we'll take difference of this. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 5 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 6, minus 3. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 6 minus 3, 3. Or 7 minus 7, 0. You care this. Here it will be 5. 5 minus 0, 5. Now see, 2 minus 2, minus 5, 5, 3 minus 3. This is the skew-symmetry and diagonal element is 0. Suppose कर लो किसी ने calculation करते समय गलती कर दिया. Anybody has done mistake. Or at least one element, two element all are not 0 and other are the negative. Their sign will be opposite to each other. In that case, it is not the skew-symmetric matrix. In the skew-symmetric matrix, it is necessary the diagonal will be primary diagonal, not the secondary diagonal. Primary diagonal element will be 0. So in this way, you will try to solve the question from this exercise. On next day, I will explain elementary operation. Next day means tomorrow. Tomorrow I will send the video. Clear? Okay, God bless you.